Hey guys, it's me Rahul and welcome to another episode of Android Setups. I believe this is the 4th episode. On this episode, I'm going to be recreating a setup that one of you guys sent. If you want your setup to get featured on the series, just send me an email with all the details and screenshots of your setup to tvmysterio@gmail.com. So this setup is from Ajay. It looks so clean and minimal. I like this border around these icons. It looks pretty cool. So these are the apps that we need for making this setup. For the icons, we'll be using two apps, two icon packs. The first one is Mint and the other one is called Candy Icons or Candycons. We are using two different icon packs for this setup because he used different icons on the desktop and app drawer. And for the clock, we are going to be using iOS 16 clock widget. Another app we are going to be using is called Inswall for the wallpapers. It is my second most favorite wallpaper app. Other apps we are going to be using are the usual ones, Nova Launcher and Super Widget. First thing that you need to do is go to settings and set your default launcher to Nova if you haven't done that yet. Then open Nova settings and set the desktop grid to 6x6 and set the icon theme to Candycons. Then place the iOS 16 clock widget onto the top of the desktop. You can change the colors of it if you want to. Then the next thing that you want to do is create the rounded corner rectangle. For that we'll be using Super Widget. Just place the biggest Super Widget grid onto the desktop. Then start with an empty layout. Then create a rectangle with rounded corners. If you don't know how to create it, then the important stuff is set the outline to 50, corners to 10 and make sure the main color is white and you have set the widget background to transparent. After that, scale the widget and reposition it like this. After you have done doing all that, place about 6 most used app icons on the desktop, then edit each icons and set it to Mint icon pack. Change the desktop icon size to your liking and just place the icons in this design. And the next thing that we have to do before choosing the wallpaper is place the app drawer icon in this spot and change the icon to this triangle one. And also change the widget on tap action of this border to disable. That way if you tap on this rectangle, Super Widget app won't pop up. Now let's look for some wallpapers. Because we are going for a minimal look, we are going to be using a minimal wallpaper as well. Inswall is a really good wallpaper app that you should definitely check out. I'm going to be using this wallpaper. You can choose any minimal wallpaper you want. Anything similar will look awesome. Ajay also sent me some awesome minimal wallpapers that he made. So if you want to download that, there will be a link in the description to his collections. And that's it guys. Hope you guys liked this video. If you did, then definitely give it a thumbs up and I'll see you guys again in my next video. Goodbye.
I could swear it's been 700 degrees in here since you came in. I could swear that this room has been running out of air and now it's starting to spin.